Hey guys, super quick, make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. Hello everybody, welcome back to the St. Louis Car Museum. I'm Ian, and today we're featuring the 1954 Kaiser Darrin Model 161 Roadster. This Model 161 Roadster is finished in Pint Tint over Pint Tint Pincrush. It's number 105 of 435 ever produced. It has 61,138 miles on the odometer and a 161 cubic inch inline 6 engine. As the European sports car market invaded the United States after World War II, American auto manufacturers started to take notice. Very few, if any, produced a two-seater oriented sports car. But by the early 1950s, Jaguar, Austin Healey, Triumph, MG, and other small English sports cars were finding garages in the United States. Pushing an effort to supply a unique two-seater for the Kaiser brand was designer Howard "Dutch" Darrin, a renowned automotive stylist for Packard and Duesenberg. The longtime sedan-oriented Henry J. Kaiser was a tough sell on pushing such an automobile. His selection of traditional family-style automobiles was a major focus to save his namesake in an ever-growing market where larger firms were eating up their competition. Darrin was able to push this stunning roadster with disappearing doors that slid into the front fenders forward to production. Some say with the prodding of Miss Kaiser after seeing the design so it would appear in the 1953 New York Auto Show with many admirers. Kaiser Motors was struggling as a whole to stay alive, so only 435 Roadsters would be produced, and today represent the last of Dutch Darrin automotive legacy. This stunning example would be cosmetically restored in 2005. In 2008, it found its way to Bob Dunn of Custom Auto to ensure the mechanics were in order. Bob elected to replace the clutch and pressure plate, rebuild the generator and water pump, replace engine gaskets, new voltage regulator, exhaust system, ignition system, and all fluids. Showcasing a 15-year-old restoration, it presents today as a largely original example. Please feel free to call with additional questions or submit an offer before it's too late. Hey guys, super quick, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like rare cars, you're gonna love the rest of our social medias too. So give those a follow, and I'll see you next time.